to my channel, and today, you guys, I'm wearing my hair up. I normally don't do that, but we're trying a bunch of new things on this channel for once, and you guys have been noticing that, so thank you so much for appreciating my efforts and trying to mix things up, because I've been working really hard to make things a little bit different than usual. Today's haul is going to be freaking massive, you guys. I have spring clothes, summer clothes, clothes for events. I mean, there's so much color in this haul. I have swimsuits, shoes, like so much stuff, you guys. I cannot wait for you to see it. It's from a bunch of random different places, and I really think you guys are gonna like all this clothes. It's super cute and trendy. So hope you guys enjoy that. Let me know if you make it to the end of this video, because this video is going to be long. So get yourself a snack, get yourself a drink, just get yourself comfy, because this video is going to be long. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's just get right into it. Okay, so I went to this event called the Mayfair group. It was like a gifting suite where you basically could show up and you could literally pick out clothes for free. Like, what is my life? I'm seriously forever grateful. So it was a bunch of random brands. I got to pick out a bunch of clothing from that. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. First things first that I got is actually this right here. So it's this like green little tie shirt. The ties are actually pretty long, but it's so freaking cute. And I also bought this bralette from Urban Outfitters so I could wear it with it, because I don't really want to wear it just alone. So got that from this event, and I'll have all the brands, all the clothing, everything linked down below for you guys. I'm gonna try my very best too. So that's that. Next thing is this black tie long sleeve bell sleeve shirt. You will see a recurring trend of tie shirts. This is super cute. Again, I would wear this with a bralette, but I love this shirt. This is from the brand. Literally don't even know. What is this brand? Help. That's the brand, because I can't pronounce it, but I'll have it linked down below. Next thing I got, I feel like this is a little bit more LA, and it's a little bit, you know, not typically my style, but I did like it. It's super soft. Is this cross tie sweater. It's super soft. It's pink. It has white splotches on it. It's so comfy. It has a hood on it. Not necessarily normally what I gravitate towards, but I really liked it. And this is from the brand The Laundry Room. Next is this black like slip dress in a way, and then it has this tie in the back, and it's super cute. I like the material because it's a little bit more dressy. You can wear this on a date or to an event or whatever bougie thing you got going on in your life. And this is from the brand VDV, which is Van de Voort, which is what I'll show you guys later, but there's more clothes from that brand as well. But it's just really, it's cute and it's simple. You can just throw it on with anything, a little jean jacket. If you guys follow my social media and you saw that I had a huge birthday bash this past Saturday, which technically the day that I'm filming this, it's my birthday, so I'm turning 24 today, but I'm still working, okay? So I had a big birthday bash in Dallas this past Saturday, and I wore this whole thing to it. I'll insert a picture of me wearing this because it has a little tie front as well, but here are the pants. They're super silky and soft, and I could dance in these, which is why I like them. And this is from the brand Van de Voort as well, but I'll insert the top as well in a picture because I really don't know where it is. Where did it go? Anyway, moving on. Okay, this next top again is from Van de Voort, and you're probably like, what is that? Is that like, I feel like I'm that guy from like the car dealerships who like sits there and blow, you know what I'm talking about? The guy who's like, woo! But anyways, I wore this in a video that you'll see next week, but this is it has this really cool stretchy thing at the back, and then you literally like wrap it around you. I'll insert a picture so you guys can see. You wrap it around you like twice, and then you tie it in the front. I cannot show you just like this. I mean, you'll see it in the try on portion, but this is very, very cute and trendy, and I love the fiery red color. It goes well with my eyeshadow, which again, you'll see next Sunday because this is going to be in a tutorial next Sunday. Stay tuned. Okay, bye. Another thing is another tie shirt, but this is so cute. I love it. Probably again would wear this with a bralette. This is from the brand Sage the label. Love that. Apparently they have more stuff coming in the mail for me, which is exciting, but that's everything from that gifting suite. So I'm really happy with those pieces. Those are really cute and trendy, and I love those. And now we're gonna move on to pieces that I recently purchased at Nordstrom. Yeah, what's a haul? What's a Jeanine haul without Nordstrom in it? I literally couldn't tell you. First things first, you guys, I finally found a pair of denim shorts that I think look moderately good on me. You guys, there's something about my legs that I have the hardest time finding shorts. The hardest time. So I walked by these in Nordstrom. It literally like made me stop, and I was like, I need those, I need those, I need those. And I tried them on immediately, and I was like, I'm getting them, because when I find a pair of good shorts, oh, you better freaking believe I'm hopping on that. So these are from Free People. They are a little bit pricey, but like, to me, I would pay a good amount of money to find a pair of shorts that actually look good on my freaking thighs, and these did. So I love these. I got this like really cool businessy plaid jacket. I can see myself wearing this BeautyCon. I already have an outfit in mind, which you guys will kind of see when I show you, but I got this from the brand Crystal. You'll see a bunch of pieces from her brand or her line because she has incredible stuff. She just launched this new line. I love her line. It is so adorable. So I got this little jacket for her line. It's a little bit more businessy, stepping in my comfort zone, but I like it. Again, from that line, I got a little jumpsuit set. So here's the shirt, which again has the tie in the front. It's a thing, you guys. It's just a thing. But this is adorable and has a little zip in the back. It's a little crop top. And it comes with these matching pants, which you guys, the pants are so fun. They're like loose and baggy at the bottom, and they have these really fun ties at the front. I think it's so fun. And these two together, I mean, that's a look right there. That's a look. I love it. That's again from the Crystal line. Another thing, wait, hold up, struggling. Another set that I got from the Crystal line is this one right here. And I wore this on my Instagram, which I'll insert a picture. And everybody was freaking out, like, where's that shirt from? Where's that shirt from? It's from the Crystal line at Nordstrom. It is so cute. This material is like, I don't know how to describe it. It's almost like this, like a material of like a potato sack. You know what I mean? If you don't know what I mean, burlap, I guess you could say. That's kind of what it feels like. So these are so fun. Yellow is like the most trending color right now. And then here are the pants. Just FYI, if you are gonna order these, order a size down because they run a little bit big. So here's what the pants look like, and they're just really loose and fun. Another thing that I recently wore on my Instagram that everybody was asking about again is this striped shirt. And again, you guys, the tie. What is up with ties in the front? I mean, I'm about them, but it's a thing right now. And then the back is open, really, really fun. And a lot of people have been like, oh, what are you, freaking Beetlejuice? I'll insert again a picture of Beetlejuice because a lot of people have been making fun of me about wearing black and white stripes lately. But no, I'm not Beetlejuice. I'm just a girl who likes black and white stripes. And then this has a little cut in the front as well. So this is from Nordstrom. This is super cute, and I really feel like it's classy. So I really like that. Last but not least, I got some really cool like jumpsuit businessy pants. Has a really stretchy band, and then kind of spreads out near, like it goes out more around your thighs, and then it slims down again at your ankles. You'll see in the try-on clip. But I'm probably gonna wear these again to BeautyCon New York in conjunction with, where'd it go? Lost a soldier, man down. I'm gonna probably wear it with this black crop top from Topshop that I just got, with these pants, with that plaid jacket from with that plaid jacket from Crystal, which I just showed you guys a second ago. When I went and got all these pieces at Nordstrom the other day or whatever, I also picked up a pair of these shoes, which, why are they backwards, Jeanine? I have been looking, you guys, relentlessly for black platform like wedges type of thing with this kind of like woven detail at the bottom. And I found these at Steve Madden. I fell in love with them. They're so cute. They're pretty comfy. They do kind of give you blisters at first right here because it's kind of like a hard material, but these are so cute. So these are from Steve Madden. And again, from Steve Madden, for my birthday party, I didn't have any shoes like this, so I got these ones from Steve Madden. These are cute. They're pretty comfy. Only thing is they do hurt a little bit right here as well, but comfort-wise, like you can stand in these for a really good long time. So big fan of these as well. Okay, so that's everything I got from the other day when I was shopping at the mall. And now we're gonna move on to Lulu's. Lulus is incredible. Lulus is literally, you guys, my favorite online clothing store. I love them. They have the greatest, trendiest, cutest stuff, and they sent me a bunch of stuff, so thank you, freaking Lulus. I got so much stuff, so let's just get right into that, because there's a lot. So first thing I got are these snake skin loafer flats, I guess you could say. Now, naturally, I wouldn't fully pick these out, but I thought they're really cool. I thought it'd be a really cool way to like spice up a like all black outfit. They do hurt just a little bit, I'm gonna say that, but I think they're pretty cool and a little bit out of my comfort zone, so that's why I got them. So these are cool. Next, I got a light wash denim skirt. This fits like a freaking glove. I feel like I always say this is from O2 Denim. It's super, super stretchy and adorable, so I can't wait to wear that when it's nice and sunny out, because right now it's raining, so I can't wear that. Next, I got a bikini, which this bikini I just feel like is very flattering on my body. The padding is incredible. It makes me look like I'm a little bit more chestier than I normally am because I'm not that big in the upper region, but I freaking love this swimsuit. I love the color. I don't have a navy swimsuit yet, so this is great. Here are the bottoms. My only concern is it's cheeky, and I don't really naturally like cheeky bikinis, but maybe I can get over it. I don't know. But I think it's super cute, and again, very flattering on my body. If y'all thought the tie trend was over, boy, you is wrong, because it's back and it's here to stay. So I got this red, cute long sleeve one. It's almost similar to that black one. It's not as belly at the sleeves, but again, has the tie. It's a crop top. I love the color. I think it looks good on my skin color, so love this. I have the most adorable yellow dress. You guys, look at this. Does this not give you Danielle Carolyn vibes? Like, Danielle, if you're watching this, this makes me think of you. Again, the tie. And I just think this is the cutest thing. To pair this with a denim jacket and some wedges, girl, you are good to go. So cute. Next, I kind of got a t-shirt dress. This is a v-neck with a pocket. It's just a black one. This is, again, something I would pair with like a denim jacket, some wedges, and it's just easy to throw on. It's super comfy, super like bouncy, and I love the material, so this is just an easy thing to just put on when you're running out the door. Next is this white dress right here, which you probably can't see very well, but it has a tie at the front. Shocking, right? Shocking. Has a cute tie, but this is very flattering on me. I really like this. It has little pants underneath, so you don't have to worry about, you know, flashing anybody, but I just think this is so cute. This is like a normal for like a little beach day or a date or a Sunday or Sunday church. I don't know. I like it. The next thing I got is this pinstripe dress, and this is kind of just like a simple, it just goes straight down, like doesn't really like hug your curves or anything. Has two ties at the top that are adjustable and a button at the back. This is, again, super cute for just like a little beach day, any like hot summer day. It's just cute. I like it. Hopefully I'm not saying cute too much because I probably am. Next thing I got is another dress, and this is adorable. The back is super fun. I love the detail on the back. Unfortunately, this is a little bit big on me, so I'm wondering if I can get this exchanged for like an extra small, because this small is pretty big, and again, I don't really fill it out up here at the top, but I really like this dress. Really, really like it, and it's super comfy. Next, I got a pair of light wash ripped jeans, and I've been really into this trend just because it looks really great when you wear like Converse and a white v-neck and like a beige cardigan. I don't know, you just kind of like pair it together with some trendier pieces, but these fit really, really well. I really like these. So I'm really into the two-piece trend, so I got this two-piece right here. So this is what the top looks like. This is a little bit big on me as well because I don't really fill it out, but that's what the top looks like. And then the pants are just absolutely adorable. So here are the pants. They have a tie that you can do at the front, which is nice. I like that detail. And then it just zips up in the back. These are so comfy. And these two just together, like, that's just so me. I love them. But here is the next thing. This is a white crop top with a v-neck at the front, which I really, really like. It's very flattering on my chest. I don't know what it is, but it just looks very flattering. The back, what do you know, has a tie, but has an opening right here, which is nice, has a tie. And this is like a jersey material, so it's super stretchy. You do need to wear like a sticky bra or something with this because the back, and if you don't wear a sticky bra, then it's just straight see-through, and your girl ain't up for that. That's just not me. So I got some sticky boobs for that, and it works well. Let's see. This next top is a very, very stretchy. It's just a tank top that you can probably stick into like high-waisted jeans, high-waisted shorts, whatever. It's cute, it's simple, and I like this little mesh detail, and I thought this would be fun for like layering or something like that. So there's that. And you guys, last but not least in this haul is an army green jumpsuit, and you probably can't even see it well in this clip how I'm holding it at all. So it's a halter jumpsuit. This wraps around your neck, obviously. Cinches in at the waist and has pockets, which I love the pockets. This is pretty flattering on my body. Normally I don't go for jumpsuits, but I really like this. And then it's tight at the ankles. This is so cute, you guys. I love this. Last thing in the Lulus haul is this peach sports bra, and it's super cute. I wore this to my workout this morning, so this is really cute. It can be also kind of doubled up as a swimsuit top, but I use this as a sports bra, obviously. Super soft material, good support, and it's just cute. So that's the last final thing from Lulus. So that's everything from Lulus, and I'm gonna show you guys really, really quickly the latest workout gear I got, and then this haul is done ski. Hopefully you guys are still watching, because if you are, hi. Alright, so moving on to workout clothes. I'm gonna make this so freaking fast. I'm gonna try my best because that's what I'm talking like a freaking speed racing horse. So I went to Lulu's, and I also got stuff from Under Armour, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you both of those. So first off, from Lululemon, I got this periwinkle, is that what this shirt is called? Periwinkle? Like long sleeve shirt. These are so cute and comfy. Like I love just putting these on to sleep in, go to the mall in, like lounge around in. These are, oh, I freaking love these. So I got this one in small. I got the same thing in burgundy. I got it in gray, and I got it in a short sleeve version in bright pink, and I got it in a short sleeve version in white. So it's all the same material. These are so great for working out, but also lounging and just chilling around the house. So I really, really like these. And the last thing I got from Lululemon is a pair of leggings, which I freaking love. They fit so well. They just really suck you in, make your booty look good. I love them. And it has this really fun mesh detail on the back, down your legs. So really, really love that. So that's everything I got from Lululemon. Under Armour. Under Armour sent me some stuff, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got really quickly. The first thing I got are these shoes, which are really cool and trendy. My only concern is like the back is like really hard material and it kind of gives you a blister because it's like poking out, it's poking the back of your ankle. But otherwise, these are really, really cool. I really like these and love this style, and I love black and white, so these are great. Got this sports bra, which I absolutely love. I love the padding. It makes your boobs look good. It's great support. The back is super fun. I love the detail of the back. Really, really fun. Love that. Next is this black shirt with mesh here at the top, and then it's like another opening in the back, so you can kind of like get some ventilation going on, but it goes all the way down, which is really nice, so that's super fun. Then they gave me this gray jacket, which you can just like throw on after your workout. It's very heavy, very thick material, super soft. Last but not least, to end this haul is a pair of leggings from Under Armour. This is what they look like. Has this mesh on the side and these like ribbon details on the side, and it's kind of like a cut angled thing at the ankle. I don't really know how to explain it. It's kind of weird, but it's fine. But these fit really well and I really like them. I like the material, so yeah. Okay, you guys, that is everything in this massive haul. Let me know what are some of the items that you want to buy now from this haul. Also, let me know again if you made it to the end. That was really long. I'm so sorry if you guys got bored. Thank you for sticking around. So again, I will have everything linked down below for you guys. I appreciate you guys so much for watching this video. Check out my vlog channel, Jeanine TV, and my social media is Jeanine Amapola. And I will see you guys next Sunday. Thanks for watching today's video, and peace out, Girl Scout. Bye, guys.